हाँ देश अच्छा आता है। हाँ वो तो पता है, साफ सुथरा आता है।
Border Security Force. On the eve of this existence, on 1st of December 1965, with 25 battalions drawn from the state army. Immediately, I will not be able to give you the figures because I don't have that. But I can tell you offhand that substantial progress has taken place in this regard, both in SRF as well as in composite fencing. The work is still going on as on date as we speak, and we are expecting that by end of next year, all the work will be completed in Tripura frontier.
Sir, my question is, sir, you were told that 25 rebels has surrendered so far.
Yeah, I am not able to.
How many are there?
Yes.
Rebels have surrendered due to years with arms or ammunition. How many of them without any arms?
That figure is not with me right now. But what is important is they are coming back to the mainstream. And there is a good positive response which we are always trying to encourage and trying to motivate, and we are also again appealing through this press conference to all the members who are part of this insurgency groups to shun violence and to return to the mainstream, to have a peaceful life and happy and healthy family life. And also we are appealing to the general youth of the state of Tripura not to be misguided to join in these insurgency groups anymore. Single row fencing, let me clarify, it is being constructed in areas where there is population living very close to the international border, within 150 yards of international border. Because we want to take the fencing to very close to the international border, that is why we have been constructing single row fence. If we construct anything beyond 150 yards, we don't have to wait for any consent from counterpart BCP. So since the population is living very close to the border, that is why we have tried to take the fencing to very close to the IP, that is why this is required. A year back, when I had just joined here, there were 19 such patches where such single row fencing was proposed but held up because of consent not being accorded by counterpart BCP. As on date, we are pursuing only 9 cases, and recently during our IG, BSF and Region Commander BGP level talk at Meghalaya, we have also discussed a lot about this. We are expecting that the consent will be accorded very soon, and we will be able to pursue all these cases to logical end, and we will be able to construct SRF as per requirement in all the gaps in all areas of borders of Tripura. In order to celebrate this 57th Raising Day of BSF on 1st of December 2021, we have been celebrating already from 25th of this month, that is November, the last 5-6 days. We have been celebrating various events at various levels, starting from company level to battalion level to sector level and also frontier level. You might be seeing them in various TV channels, social media, radio talk shows, and we have been conducting various competitions in the schools, organizing debate competition, painting competition, organizing cycle rallies and various other programs. Besides, we are also doing lots of cultural programs, sports activities involving local population to make people aware about the role and genesis of BSF.
सर कितने दिन तक चलेगा ये?
First, we have organized all this program up to 1st of December, that is our raising day, that is tomorrow. And tomorrow we have a Mahila Prahari Cyclothon starting from here, from Salbogan campus and going to Gokulnagar campus, that is sector headquarters Gokulnagar campus, in the morning.
Sir,
I request all of you to cover
सर
that.
कोई स्पेशल गेस्ट आएगा?
No, not this program. We have some other programs. In these programs, we continue till 16th, when the Golden Jubilee is being celebrated of the Liberation War of 1971. That is going to conclude on 16th of December. And we have a program at ICT Agartala. There we will invite some dignitaries.
Right, friends, I think we have.
In this period, whatever figure we are given is for the period 1st of December 2020 to 29th of November 2021. As you rightly said, in January we had a press conference which we covered for the calendar year 2020, which included month of December also, by which time the COVID situation has subsided, so activities were a little more. And in the meanwhile, again the COVID activity started, and now it is taken back to normal almost on the border, so activities are more. Besides, these figures includes the transborder criminals and smugglers. They are not all intruders trying to infiltrate. They are also in some of the Bangladeshis and some of the Indian who are trying to cross over the border for the purpose of smuggling. This is the entire figure. This figure includes intruders trying to infiltrate and intruders trying to smuggle out goods, taking them and bringing them across the border.
So there is a sizable increase in these numbers in the last year.
Yeah.
So one more question. Last year I remember you said that there were certain targets of border infrastructure development, and that included a 14-kilometer single row fencing which was supposed to be completed by this year, 2021. That's what you said, sir. And some composite beauty constructions and this unfenced part of patches of border. So what is the progress on that front, sir?
I am happy to announce that during this period, so many single row fence works which were pending for last several years, we have been able to convince our counterpart BGP, and we have obtained consent, and we have started work, and in fact we have completed work in more than 5 such gaps, particularly in Yakub Nagar area, 3 such gaps and other patches. And many more patches in Sabroom area. The work is going on at very high pace. Some other patches in Sonamura is still held up because of various reasons, including consent from BGP as well as land acquisition issues. We are sorting that out. We are hopeful that in the coming 7 to 8 months before next rainy season, we will be able to complete all this SRF work. As regards the composite fencing work in the eastern sector, the work is going on at very high pace. Very recently, senior officials from Ministry of Home Affairs had visited and reviewed this progress and various other works, and it is expected that the work will gain momentum and will be completed by end of 2022.
So out of the 67 kilometers.
PSF in different states. However, that notification does not apply to state of Tripura, where the status quo is continuing, because from before itself, our jurisdiction in Tripura and state of Tripura was entire state. So there was no limit of 30 km or 50 km in Tripura. Tripura, Meghalaya and some of the northeastern states, the jurisdiction of BSF is entire state. That is how we are able to independently operate and operate against various kind of narcotic operators, including ganja cultivators. We are able to go and destroy their ganja cultivation at times, because our primary duty is to guard the borders and protect and maintain the sanctity of international border. So in order to do that, most of our force is deployed there, but whenever we get any intelligence and input or any information, we go deep inside and operate both independently, and we also prefer to take police along so that the operation becomes joint operation. And most of the time we operate in the depth areas along with police, forest officials, customs officials, DRI and NCB. Army, in which 23 BSF battalions had taken part in the war Operation Excel. In this period, 125 of its brave soldiers were martyred, 392 were injured, and 132 went missing. The BSF warriors of 1971 war were suitably honored and recognized with 1 Mahavir Chakra, 1 Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, 11 Veer Chakras, 46 Army Medals, 5 Vishisht Seva Medal, 63 other awards, and 12 BSF officers and Jawans were honored as war heroes. The contribution of BSF in the liberation of Bangladesh was highly appreciated by the then Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, and the founding father of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In order to remember the human services rendered by BSF in the liberation war of Bangladesh in 1971, BSF has been celebrating 50th Golden Jubilee year of liberation of Bangladesh by organizing year-long special programs starting from 16th of December 2020, which will culminate on 16th of December 2021. During this period, rich tributes were paid to martyrs of 1971 war, their family members on several occasions. Several other programs were also organized both with the local population as well as in coordination with the counterpart BJP. Notable amongst them were the Maitri Cycle Rally, which covered 4,097 km, including 856 km in the borders of Tripura, passing all along the borders of Indo-Bangladesh. Similarly, Maitri football match was conducted in between BSF and BJP in the famous ground of Belonia. Besides various other joint cultural programs, sports events, photo exhibitions, marathon run, Fit India Freedom Run 2.0, and many other programs were organized during this period. BSF Tripura Frontier has also contributed towards national campaign Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, being celebrated by Government of India throughout the country. Swarnim Vijay Masal, that is Victory Flame, which was led by Honorable Prime Minister of India on 16th of December 2020 from National War Memorial, Delhi, came to the state of Tripura during first week of November 2021. BSF Tripura Frontier organized special programs at ICP Agartala and other places to receive the flame and honor the war veterans. Achievements of Tripura Frontier in last 1 year, that is from the period 1st of December 2020 to 29th of November 2021. BSF Tripura Frontier has been making all-out efforts to contain the insurgency activities in the state of Tripura, both independently as well as in close coordination with other security agencies deployed in the state. During this year so far, 2 senior active insurgents of NLF-BM have returned to the mainstream after serving in this outfit for more than 20 years. One of them, self-styled Lieutenant Jaiba Golai alias Linton Jamatia, surrendered before BSF Tripura Frontier on 18th of October 2021, whereas another self-styled Captain Rana Bahadur Devarman surrendered before BSF Tripura Frontier on 9th of November 2021. It is worth mentioning here that in the past few years, 25 NLFT members, including the above 2 members, have surrendered before BSF Tripura. That is 5 in the year 2017, 12 in the year 2018, 3 in the year 2000. अन्य award एवं 12 BSF ऑफिसर एवं जवानों के वार हीरो घोषित करा हुआ है। 1971 बांग्लादेश मुक्ति योद्धा युद्धे BSF एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका के स्मरण করে 16 ডিসেম্বর 1920 থেকে অনেক প্রোগ্রামের আয়োজন করে বাংলাদেশের মুক্তির 50वीं বর্ষ জয়ন্তী পালন করা হয়েছে, যা 16 ডিসেম্বর 1921 से शेष হবে। BSF BGB মিলে বিভিন্ন প্রোগ্রাম যেমন কি मैत्री साइकिल रैली जहाँ त्रिपुरा सीमा से 865 किलोमीटर मोट 4097 किलोमीटर पथ अतिक्रम करे। बेलोनिया से BSF एवं BGB फुटबॉल मैत्री मैच, नाना सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम, खेला, फोटो शो, मैराथन रन, फिट इंडिया रन इत्यादि विभिन्न प्रोग्राम करा हुआ। सीमांत मुख्यालय BSF त्रिपुरा भारत सरकार राष्ट्रीय अभियान आजादी के अमृत महोत्सव में भी योगदान करे। स्वर्णिम विजयी मशाल दिल्ली থেকে ত্রিপুরাতে নভেম্বর প্রথম সপ্তাহে আসে ও BSF গ্রহণ করে বীর যোদ্ধাদের সম্মানে ICP আগরতলা এবং রাজ্যের বিভিন্ন স্থানে বিশেষ বিশেষ প্রোগ্রাম করেছিল। विगत एक बच्चे BSF त्रिपुरा फ्रंटियर की उपलब्धियां जो 1 दिसंबर 2020 to 29 नवंबर 2021 तक त्रिपुरा में BSF निजी एवं राज्य अन्य सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी साथे एक साथ काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी विरुद्धे কাজ করেছে। 18 অক্টোবর 2021 এ বড় সিকিউরিটি ফোর্স ত্রিপুরা NLFT BM এর এক সক্রিয় সদস্য সেলফ স্টাইল লেফটেন্যান্ট জয়বাকলই 9 নভেম্বর 2021 এ সেলফ স্টাইল ক্যাপ্টেন রানা বাহাদুর 1 ডিসেম্বর 1965 सीमांत राज्य पुलिस रे 25 टी सशस्त्र बटालियन ने BSF स्थापना होए तखन থেকে BSF নিজের আকার ও দক্ষতা বাড়াই চলছে। দেশের সীমা রক্ষা ছাড়া দেশের বিভিন্ন সুরক্ষাতে ও BSF যোগদান করে, যেমন কাউন্টার ইনসার্জেন্সি, কাউন্টার টেরোরিজম, অ্যান্টি নক্সাল অপারেশন এবং ন্যাচুরাল ক্যালামিটিতে উদ্ধার ও সেবা কাজ এবং ইউনাইটেড নেশনের পিস কিপিং মিশন ও সৈন্য পাঠায়। বর্তমানে 192 बटालियन ए साथ 2.6 लाख सैनिक ने BSF दुनियार सब থেকে বড় সীমান্ত রক্ষক বল হয়ে উঠেছে। 1971 বাংলাদেশ লিবারেশন ওয়ার 1971 भारत पाक लड़ाई BSF मुक्ति बाहिनी दे ऑर्गेनाइज करे, ट्रेनिंग दे एवं तार साथे অভিযানে ভাগ নেয়। बीएसएफ त्रिपुराতে सिमना, कठुआ, बोकाफा, पत्थरगढ़ी और असरामबाड़ी ने 5टी मुख्य ट्रेनिंग सेंटर और मोट 2150 मुक्ति योद्धाओं गोरिल्ला युद्धेर ट्रेनिंग दी। बीएसएफ अगरतलाते गोपनी एकटी स्वाधीन बांग्ला बेतार केंद्र भी स्थापन করেছিল। শেষ সময় যখন ভীষণ যুদ্ধ শুরু হয় বিএসএফ তখন সেনার সাথে कंधे कंध मिलाए 23टी बटालियन ने लड़ाई ये जोग दी। युद्धे 125 जन बीएसएफ जवान शहीद, 392 जवान इंजर्ड, 132 जवान निखोज हुए। 1971 की वीर बीएसएफ सैनिक देर मध्य एक महावीर चक्र, एक अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, 11 वीर चक्र, 46 आर्मी मेडल, 5 विशिष्ट सेवा जे विगत 20 বছরে বেশি এনএলএফটি বিএমএ কাজ করেছে তাদের মুখ্য ধারায় বেরিয়ে আনতে সফল হয়। বিগত 5 বছর आए 2 जन चारा 25 जन एनएलएफटी सदस्य बीएसएफ এর কাছে আত্মসমর্পণ করে। ত্রিপুরার 865 কিলোমিটার লম্বা ভারত বাংলাদেশ দুরগাম ম্যালেরিয়া মহামারীর प्रतिकूल जलवायु और विभिन्न समस्याओं पर कोई ईमानदारी साथे बीएसएफ बहादुर जवाने सीमांतेर सुरक्षा करছে। তাছাড়া बीएसएफ সীমান্ত নিষিদ্ধ বস্তু যেমন নিষেধ জিনিস, মেডিসিন, कैटल इत्यादि सीजर करेছে। जो इस प्रकार है निषेध जिनिस 12 करोड़ 94,36,908 जार मध्य याबा टैबलेट 7,812 थी, फेंसिडिल सिरप 30,070 बटुल, गांजा 12,067 किलोग्राम, लिकर 8,351 बटुल्स इत्यादि। गोरु कैटल हेड्स 2,288 थी, जार मूल्य 2 करोड़ 34,58,050। अन्य निषिद्ध वस्तु जार मूल्य 15 करोड़ 98,35,456। प्रतिपक्ष बीजेपी এর সাথে মাঝে মাঝে সৌহার্দ্যিক সম্মেলন করে থাকে। বিগত 27 নভেম্বর 2021 থেকে 29 নভেম্বর 2021 উচ্চ স্তরের ইন্সপেক্টর জেনারেল লেভেলের সম্মেলন সীমান্ত মুখ্যালয় শিলং মেঘালয়তে হয়েছিল, যেখানে সীমান্তের বিভিন্ন সমস্যা নিয়ে কথা হয় এবং বহু সমস্যার সমাধান হয়। बीएसएफ सतर्क सीमांत रक्षा दल रूपे निजेर कर्तव्य और निष्ठार साथे सीमांत रक्षार काज करे एवं बीजेपी एवं स्थानीय
জনগণ ও সীমান্ত এলাকার সিকিউরিটি ফোর্সের সাথে সুন্দর ও বন্ধুত্বপূর্ণ ব্যবহার করে থাকে। জয় হিন্দ, জয় ভারত।
Thank you.